What is up, everyone? It is me, Amay. Today we are reviewing this 5 Hot Wheels cars. Let's review this Hot Wheels Dodge Viper RT10 with white and dark blue. With front, we have no detail, pan to side, rear, driver side, and roof. The code says L25, that's the code. It's K25, that's the code. Let's review this 1981 Camaro with orange, black, and yellow. With front, we have no detail, pan to side, rear, driver side, and roof. And the code says K25, that's the code. Let's review this red Renault Sport RS.01 with red, black, white, and yellow. With front, we have no detail, pan to side with black wheels and number 5, rear with spoiler to driver side and roof. And the code says K25, that's the code. Let's review this Hot Wheels Kmart exclusive Mazda RX-7 with red, yellow, and orange. With front, we have no detail, pan to side, rear, driver side, and roof. The code says K21, that's the code. Let's review this 1995 Mazda RX-7, a Kmart exclusive, in red. With front, we have no detail, pan to side with gold wheels, rear with Hot Wheels license plate, driver side, and roof. The code says K22, that's the code. Okay? Make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.